Whenever you're installing plastic parts to your car or back to your car, you're always missing these plastic parts. So I ordered some of them. I ordered me 30 pieces for €6 and another 30 pieces of this white. I think everybody knows them. And I thought, ah man, this is quite expensive, like 60 pieces, €12. So when they are already at my home and they got delivered, I go back to eBay and checked out. And yes, you can buy 1,000 pieces from China, mixed, for €10. So whenever you need one of these clips, maybe just check out eBay. I will give you a link in the description. 1,000 pieces for €10. I think I will sort them now. I have an old box. And yeah, then we will see what parts are inside. So this set starts out as a memory. First you find all the same pieces. And then I recognized that after you played memory, you also play Jenga, because you need to match the screw holder. They didn't fix it or prefix it first, so you need to sort everything by yourself. Screws, holders, and so on. Yeah, so let's go on. So after sorting everything, I found out that there were like 50 to 60 pieces which belong to nothing and don't match each other, but the rest seems pretty fine. Sometimes the color is white or red, but it's the same size, same as the white and blue, green ones. So take your time to sort it, but I think for like €10 to have almost 1,000 pieces of plastic, yeah, that's pretty awesome. So Michelle is helping me today and she has cold hands. We have like 5 or 6 degrees today in Germany. after cleaning all the plastic parts, you still can see some are yellowish, some are changing colors, whatever. So the only solution is to paint them with a structure gray spray for plastic repairs and paint them completely new. I will give you a link in the description to a similar spray which is especially for repainting plastic parts with a structure. Here, so a little bit cold, but I will work with a heating gun and with a hot lamp, and I hope it turns out well.